What's up, YouTube? I've managed to design a free energy device. It's a battery mainly. It works off a solar panel made using copper and silver, and also the copper is made into a black color, a black copper using alloys. Of course, silver using alloys. It was also black. And with that being said, the light comes from a Tesla coil. Of course, controlling controlling the plasma and all that is pretty dope. In doing that, the gases are krypton, basically using the best things possible for the best results. Brightening it was not difficult, is not difficult. And what am I missing? Yeah. The thermal energy, some of the thermal energy, when it gets to that point, is captured using aluminum. It absorbs it. Also black, alloyed aluminum. Nice little alloys. Black is the best color. I just gotta say that. It absorbs light the best. Pretty much, yeah. I used a Tesla coil that emits purple, violet light because that's the best results. Best results always are best. And sound waves, frequencies control the Tesla coil a bit. Coding the device to brighten, send more energy into I went all the way to the maximum, as the maximum of light absorbent that the solar cell could take in, and sent as much energy as I could to the Tesla coil to emit light. And of course, a Tesla coil free, it's basically the best thing for wireless energy, and that's what it does. It's the best battery you could ever have. Yeah, free energy battery. Pretty cool. Yeah, with that being said, it could be used to just place on the desk next to a TV, and it will start charging the TV if you made the TV correctly. Or yeah, it's 3D. It's 3D energy. I think that's what it would be called. 3D wireless energy. That's what it's called. 3D wireless energy. It yeah. You got the resource of the resource to absorb the heat, and not too much heat comes off of it, but you know, yeah. And also, yeah, the thermal energy, it absorbs, the thermal energy gets transferred into more energy and sent. It's a cycle. Absorbing, it absorbs, it absorbs. That's just like, it's like a sponge of energy. And it just doesn't squeeze out in the wrong way, and it releases correctly, and you can bring it right back. So yeah, check out my polo. I want to model for Ralph Lauren so bad. Do I look good? I got to get better light. They use light. It's all right. I want to model for Ralph Lauren so bad. What do I look like? See, I look pretty good. Yeah. So there's that. Man, I don't know what else to say except for have fun creating that thing and powering whatever you wish to power. Throw it into a phone if you make it small. You just need a sheet like this. Of the just a sheet like that of solar, but like you probably should have it fully encased, you know, a full rectangle, a full rectangular box, you know, inside of it, drill a hole, boom, boom, you know, is the Tesla coil. You send vibrations, frequencies, boom, boom, boom. Pretty dope stuff. Probably should have a Tesla coil on, you know, both ends, just to be dope. Yeah. Do it yourself. Make it yourself. Whatever you gotta do. They trying to charge us too much. So go ahead, baby. Go ahead. You gotta do something. You gotta do something, they say. Do something. Well, yeah. It's the best design I've got. Not really. But I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it anywhere. they're hiding it, or I just put stuff together and I'm like, here, free energy. So yeah, I've been saying this stuff though. It got taken down, of course. Let's see if it get taken down again. This time I have my face and not just my name, and nice little writing on whatever case it was on. Yeah. Let's see if I get hacked again too. That might just definitely happen because I've been getting hacked. That stuff sucks. Make a video game. Start making a video game, and while making it, you end up getting your fan overheating when you just turned it on. Yeah, viruses getting popped on your screen. I gotta include that so people just know that, yeah, it was a fucking virus and shit. Hacking. Fucking virus got sent. And now my phone, even this phone, is being, fucked around with. I hate scammers. Fucking scammers, dude. I hate them. Yeah. Somebody get me into Ralph Lauren. Just place me right there with Ralph Lauren and I'll just start modeling. I went to John Casablancas to train as a model and actor. Yeah, so that's something. I'm not that good at acting. That was a fake laugh. Not that good at acting. So yeah, let's see if anybody notices this video at all. I'm gonna try to put a good name. I just don't know what name yet. Let's go with Tesla coil. I don't know. I really don't know. This is a bad number. It got all the way down to 13. The number 13, I don't like that. So I'm gonna waste more time until it gets to 14 minutes. That's a real bad number. I don't need any more bad luck. Let's watch me smoke a vape that's not even working well. You gotta pump it with air in order for it to work. This crappy Lost vape, I don't recommend them at all. Flavor's not even good. Light cuts off. Sometimes it doesn't. It's weird. A little bit of air. Look, the fog. Did you see how little fog it had? It's terrible. Well, yeah. Oh. And of course, you gotta check out my Brown is the best color, baby. Getting dressed up, you get dressed up, you wear brown. Get you some brown Ralph Lauren socks, dress socks. Start wearing casual stuff, man. That stuff, it doesn't really get you that notice though. But casual stuff just makes you look good. That's all it does. Makes you look good. You want to look good. Looking good is awesome. Except for my hair. I just got on here just to say it real quick, and I didn't need to look fancy to say it. It's a Nike shirt. It's an undershirt.